Hello guys, what's up? This is a New Year special. Fireworks. I want to do fireworks. See the firework? Oh, you guys can see from there. There. Fireworks. Oh, we can hear, but we can't see. Fireworks. Can hear, but we can't see the fireworks. Oh, there. See there? There. The fireworks. The fireworks of the New Year. Oh, New Year! The New Year have reached to Malaysia. So, Happy New Year, guys. Thank you very much for this first year of my YouTube channel. Oh yeah, Happy New Year, guys. Thank you so much for the first year of my big YouTube channel. It has been an amazing year. It has been an amazing year so far. Thank you very much for the subscribers. Thank you very much for seeing my video, and Happy New Year, guys. This is the moment we want to celebrate goodbye 2017 and welcome 2018. Let this be today. Let today be the best day in the world. As we see the fireworks popping around city in Malaysia, we have reached our 2018. We have seen the future. Right here. Here is the future. Yeah. 2018 is the future for us. Let's see if I can do good in 2018. Okay. There's more right there, but you can't see it. So you can see it like the our ICT one. So yeah, Happy New Year, guys. Sorry, I just around that, guys. Sorry, guys. There is it. The New Year special all around town, all around Malaysia, all around Selangor. It has been a special year. So yeah, guys, I will try to keep up with my 2018 schedule and make some videos for you guys, make some vlog, make some gaming videos for you guys. Been a long time, but yeah, I'll try to make sure I keep that daily. Try to keep that daily. So yeah, I have a busy schedule next year. So yeah, I will try to keep it as I could. Make sure all the video was keeping work with. So yeah. Let this moment be enjoy. Happy New Year. And yeah, Happy New Year, guys. I will try to make some PC game after my busy schedule and after all my exam end. Try to make PC game. I will try to learn that, but yeah, as usual, I will try to make PC game, some Xbox game. I will learn that from I learned that bit too. But yeah, 2018 has been special to me. It was 2017 actually. Sorry, 17 has been special to me. 2017, who have born my channel and born you, born meet you guys, my subscribers. So yeah. Okay guys, thank you very much. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and see you guys. Happy New Year, and see you guys in the next. See you guys in the next year. Bye. Happy New Year, guys.